My name is David Jaffe. Welcome to the Wealth and Health Podcast, where you'll learn valuable skills and positive habits that will improve your life. This podcast originally aired as a video on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/beststockstrategy. The Wealth and Health Podcast is brought to you by beststockstrategy.com. The best Tesla trade. Tesla has definitely sold off. Even though it was up $11 today, it was trading as low as around $274. That's around a 40% drop. Currently, I'm recording this on February 28th, 2025. The market's had a very difficult week. Yesterday, the market was down around $95, and then today, on Friday, the market was also down in the morning. Heading into the closing, the market rallied tremendously and it closed up around $93. With Tesla, I'm definitely concerned about the recent price action. I mean, look at that chart. It's pretty dramatic. If you look at the 3-month chart, you can see that it hit its all-time high in late December. And since that time, it's been trending downwards. Just like Warren Buffett said, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Despite the chart looking horrible, I'm not a fan of technical analysis, and while I probably would not purchase Tesla because I think that there are other opportunities that are better, for example, Google trading at about $172, I think is a great buy right now. Microsoft is also a really good buy. Even something like Nvidia, which is trading at around $124 as of Friday, February 28th, is also a really good purchase. However, I do think that buying Tesla at $292 or $293 is a decent trade to make. However, personally, I would use options in order to decrease my risk and increase my upside. The trade that I would make is I would go out 2 weeks or 14 days, and then I would buy the 300 by 320 call debit spread. This would give me $20 or $2,000 of potential profit for every call debit spread that I would purchase. And despite having a $2,000 maximum profit, it would only cost me around $6.50 or $650. But you would have around 3 times as much profit potential. And because the implied volatility on Tesla is so high due to its recent drop, I can sell some pretty far out of the money put options in order to structure this trade and actually receive money for putting it on. Here what I would do is I would sell 2 of the 260s. So as you can see, I can sell 2 of the 260s and then buy 1 of the call debit spread, and then this would give me a credit of $112 every single time I would put this on. So by selling the 260 and picking up $112, if I wanted to go larger, I can sell 4 of these and then buy 2 of the call debit spreads. This would give me $224 in total, and my maximum profit here would be the $224 plus if Tesla was trading above $320 at the end of trading day on March 14th, then I would realize a $2,000 profit for every call debit spread that I would purchase. Therefore, I would realize a $4,000 profit plus the $224 in credit that I received, giving me a total profit of $2,224. The risk on this trade is that the market continues to crash, and despite the fact that it was up $93 today, it could continue to go down because over the last week in February, it's been very weak. And it wouldn't be surprising if the market continued to fall, that Tesla would fall below $260. In that situation, if Tesla was trading at $250 a share, you would be forced to purchase it at $260, and you would lose $4,000 less the $224 of premium that you collected. But when you're losing $4,000, reducing that loss by $224 is not substantial. If I had to grade this trade, I would probably grade it a B. I don't think this is a trade that I would make because, like I said, I believe there are better opportunities in Google and Microsoft and Nvidia, so I would skip this trade. But if if I had to make a trade in Tesla and I was more bullish on it, like perhaps some of you that are watching this video, perhaps you're more bullish on Tesla than I am, then this is the trade setup that I would make in order to decrease my risk, but also participate in the upside. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you learned something, and click on the video that's popping up on your screen right now because YouTube believes that you would enjoy it the most. Visit beststockstrategy.com and submit your email address to receive valuable free training. Please give this podcast a positive rating and a review. If you have any questions, visit beststockstrategy.com and send me a message.